folks, this is my little access blocks here. It's my 3/8 piece here. I'm going to put the 3/8 piece, I'm just going to kind of put it like that just to show you for now. And that'll be like that, and this will block it in there like that. So that way, actually I got it kind of cool. That's what I'm going to do to hold it in there. If you want to see the whole thing, it looks kind of like that. This is the end piece. Actually, there we go. That's my jig. That is the jig to basically get the little thing on an angle. Later on, when I attach the legs, I'm going to probably spot weld or cut off and put a bolt in here with a rod to hold it from going side to side. I don't think it'll work, but apparently it's a good idea. So yeah, and I'm thinking I might have to put a flat bar over here, so I don't know. So anyway, that's my plan. That is my plan. So I'm going to try to see if I can straighten this out. I do my tape measure. Yeah, I left it over there. Okay, anyway, that's it for this thing for now. Hello folks, it's me again. I had to add 2 more blocks here because this side was wiggling. So I lined it up with there, lined it up over there. This stays there. This block keeps it aligned in there, and that should be fine. And I use my little square here, it stays square. It's pretty accurate. And this is in here, even though this little bar right here, which I'll bring it down a little more. This little bar here is actually now too short because when I measured it, I didn't realize the thing bent inward, so I blocked it. And it's a little short, but I think I can just, when I weld it up, I can do that. So like this one, I didn't grind it, so this one might actually fit perfect. Yeah, that one I can just kind of chunk a little bit off. So yeah, got a little bit of grinding going on here, and then my jig is finished. Then what I'm going to do is take it outside. I'm going to give it a spot weld here, there. A couple of spot welds, and then when I'm done, I'll take it out of the jig. I'll probably flip it over in the jig, see if it fits, fits exact. And then I'll just slowly weld it. I don't want to warp this thing, so I'm going to probably give it some really good spot welds first. Oh, tack welds, not spot welds. Give it some really good tack welds and then fix it and do a full whopping weld on it. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. It's always good when people subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Thanks for watching.